Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review, including HomeCamper and other helpful resources, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. HomeCamper, a unique booking platform for tranquil camping. HomeCamper offers a distinctive booking experience, connecting RV travelers, campers, and van lifers with private landowners willing to share their properties for short stays. This platform caters to individuals seeking a more personalized and peaceful camping experience, providing a refreshing alternative to traditional campgrounds or RV parks. Whether your ideal campsite is a quiet countryside retreat, a picturesque lakeside setting, or even a private farm, HomeCamper presents a diverse range of destinations for a more authentic, off-the-grid outdoor adventure. The platform's features are specifically designed for those who value a more intimate and local camping experience. Finding your perfect spot. You can easily search for available spaces based on location, type of space, e.g., garden, field, farm, and desired amenities like electricity or water hookups. Each listing provides comprehensive descriptions and photos of the property, along with valuable reviews from previous campers, empowering you to make well-informed decisions. This peer review system helps ensure you book a spot that truly aligns with your needs and expectations. Beyond traditional campgrounds. A key advantage of HomeCamper is its ability to connect campers with unique locations often unavailable through conventional booking platforms. This unlocks a wider spectrum of camping experiences, particularly for those seeking less crowded and more secluded spots. The platform itself is user-friendly and boasts a straightforward booking process, making it convenient for both campers and landowners. Is HomeCamper right for you? HomeCamper is an ideal choice for RV owners, van lifers, and tent campers who crave unique, peaceful campsites away from the hustle and bustle of typical campgrounds. However, if you prefer a more traditional or luxury camping experience, this platform might not be the best fit. For those seeking a more personalized and quieter alternative, HomeCamper presents a fantastic and easy-to-use solution. For more details, check out the links in the description below.